This is 8.2c, coterminal angles. Right, this is a concept that is new to us. Coterminal angles. Two angles are coterminal if they have the same initial, so this side, and terminal sides. Okay. The process is like this. For a given angle, theta, adding or subtracting a complete revolution, so a complete turn of a circle, gives an angle coterminal with theta. Okay, so for example, if we do one swing around this angle, we get 315 degrees, versus if we go loop-de-loop-de-loop-de-loop a bunch of times to get 1035 degrees, the picture is still the same, right? The picture's still the same. We have this side and we have this side. So we could just as easily work with 315 degrees as we could with 1035. And it's actually going to be more straightforward if we work with an angle that's in between 0 and 360. Okay? In summary, to find coterminal angles, you will either add or subtract 360 over and over if you're given degrees, or you will add and subtract 2 pi over and over. Repeat the process as many times as needed to get an angle measure that is between 0 and 360 degrees, or 0 and 2 pi. Okay? So looking at this, all we're going to do, we're going to find an angle that's coterminal with negative 45. I see that negative 45 is below 0, so I'm going to add 360 to get 315 degrees. That's it. Okay, so this means that the angle negative 45 looks something like this. Okay, but I went down. It's the same thing as so this is negative 45 degrees, but positive 315 looks like this, and they represent the same angle. All right, so this is our coterminal angle. Here we have radians. Find an angle that's coterminal with 15 pi over 6. What you should be able to notice is that this is bigger than 2 pi. Okay, because 12 pi over 6 would be 2 pi. So this is bigger, we need to subtract. We need to subtract 2 pi, and the version of 2 pi that we're going to subtract is going to have a denominator of 6. So we're going to subtract 12 pi over 6 to get 3 pi over 6, which then reduces to pi over 2, which is also equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so thinking about what this means. All right, 15 pi over 6. It's like we're going to have, let's see, we're going to have an angle that goes like this, and then again, and then up, and then up. Okay, or we could just go up once and have this angle that's 90 degrees. Okay, but your answer, this is all I really need from you, is pi over 2. Okay, you don't need this picture, you don't need anything else. I just want to give it to you to help you understand. All right, 810, to find something coterminal with that, notice that it's bigger than 360. So let's subtract 360. We get 450. But we have a problem. That's not between 0 and 360, so we actually have to do it again. Okay, 450 minus 360, and we will get 90 degrees. The last one, negative 23 pi over 4. It's super negative, so we want to add. Oops. We want to add 2 pi, and since we have a denominator of 4, let's keep that going. So let's add 8 pi over 4, because this is equal to 2 pi. Okay, we get negative 15 pi over 4. We're still super negative, so let's do it again. Let's add 8 pi over 4 one more time. And look at that, we're still negative. Okay, so we're going to do it again. I'm going to add 8 pi over 4 again. And we get pi over 4. That is it. That's coterminal angles. Take a look at your practice and let me know what questions you have.